Hi guys, short video about crazy problem which I had this morning, and unfortunately Google has not been able to deliver me the right information or instructions on how to solve it, and so I wanted to make a video about that. The situation was that after starting my Windows 11 computer I couldn't do anything. This is what I put in the search results here: cannot start any program on my Windows 11 computer. Recommendations from Google or Google AI are, of course, restarting computer, check for window update, running system scan for malware, check for corrupted files, and so on and so on. Also, some really nice thing here: press Windows and X and select Windows Terminal, type SFC, scan now, and so on. This is always a good recommendation, but it looks like the search engine or AI doesn't really understand my problem, because I'm saying cannot start any program, and any program was also not any system program. So I couldn't do a virus scan, I couldn't check for updates, I couldn't check for corrupted files, I couldn't do anything. All of these are nice things when the computer is more or less still running, but not if you cannot start any program on the computer. And I had this already 2 times. I fixed that in 2 different ways. First time, I've long pressed the on-off button on my computer for 10 seconds and then it shut down. I mean, not really shut down, it just stopped. The problem, of course, when you cannot start any program, you can also not really properly shut it down. No matter what I did, I could hit the Windows key, start typing something, and it just wouldn't start anything, no matter if it was normal program or system program. So I couldn't shut it down. So the long press for 10 seconds will of course stop the system. You could also remove the power, and so this is what I did the first time: removed the power for maybe 10 seconds, plugged it in, started it, and it was working. Unfortunately this time this didn't work, but of course it's still a good solution, I would say, even though it seems to be quite harsh, and of course you have to do it on your own risk. I cannot guarantee that nothing gets destroyed or so when you just pull the power from the system, but usually Windows is built pretty stable. I mean, this can happen anyway at any time that you lose the power, so usually Windows is built to reboot anyway after that, maybe does some small repairs from temporary files or so, but I've never seen a real problem regarding that in the last couple of years. But the thing what I've done this time, in a sudden I had the idea that Windows needs a proper shutdown to properly boot. But how can I shut the system down properly when I can't start a program? So we cannot do it after log into our computer, but we can do it from the login page. And so this is what I did. By the way, of course, I'm here on the Microsoft page. I didn't want to show my own login screen with my ID. And so when you boot your computer, you usually see this page where you have to enter your password. But what you also find here on this page is this power button. You can click on that and select shutdown or reboot, and this is what I did. And so it has then shut down properly and rebooted, and after I've entered my password it started properly and I could use all the programs, even system programs, everything was working exactly as it should, and absolutely no problem after that. I don't know, I've never heard about this problem, and I can't promise that it will work also in your case, but I think it would be worth a try. If your computer is not working properly again and you cannot start any program, not even system programs, then just do a reboot or shutdown, and then after that normal start from this screen here. Use this power button here. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your experience, if you have been doing that. Would be really interesting to hear from you if it also worked for you. So please write everything what you have down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.